Water ski in!
All right.
Water sitting!
You gotta cut to the right.
No, it's counterintuitive. You gotta cut left.
I know how to drive. Stop looking at it!
When you're going backwards, everything's the opposite.
Oh, really? Thanks, driving instructor. I feel like everyone watching knows I'm incapable of pleasing my wife sexually. Ah, hell, we're gonna be on the internet. At us.
Maybe we won't be going water skiing today.
Shut up, Joe.
Hey, you want some help? I do this all the time.
Get back in your car with your wife. Ah, hell, we're gonna be on the internet. You know what? Screw it.